are some pictures of some animals. Today we're going to go ahead and we are going to write the names of the words of the animals. Monkey, Monkey, goat, Goat, sheep, Sheep, rooster, Roostер, seal, Seal, cow, Cow, horse, Horse, octopus, Octopus, and pig, Pig. Now we're going to go ahead and we are going to only circle the farm animals. Is a monkey a farm animal? No, leave it alone. What about a goat? Yes. And then you're going to color it. What about a sheep? Yes. When you're done, you're going to color it. What about a rooster? Yep. When you're done, you're going to color it. What about a seal? Nope. Leave it alone. What about a cow? Yep. You're going to circle it. What about a horse? Yep. Very good. What about an octopus? No. Leave it alone. And the last one is a pig. Now you're going to record yourself saying the words goat, sheep, rooster, cow, horse, and pig. Please submit your work when you're done.